Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Ono Hawaiian Macaroni salad. First, boil 1 pound of elbow macaroni until it's incredibly soft, almost mushy, which is key for the authentic texture. After cooking, immediately rinse the pasta under cold water for about 1 minute. This stops the cooking process and removes extra starch, preventing stickiness. Make sure to drain it very well before moving on to the next step. Now, let's create that signature creamy dressing. In a large bowl, whisk together 1½ cups of good quality mayonnaise with 1/4 cup of whole milk until smooth. Next, add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This provides a crucial tangy balance. Stir in 1 tablespoon of finely grated onion and 1 teaspoon of salt. A pinch of black pepper is also a great addition for extra flavor. It's time to bring everything together. Pour the creamy dressing over your well-drained, soft macaroni. Gently fold it in, ensuring every piece is coated. Then, mix in 2 shredded carrots and 1/2 cup of finely chopped celery for a bit of crunch and freshness. Once combined, cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate the macaroni salad for a minimum of 4 hours. This chilling time is essential for the flavors to fully develop. After chilling, your Ono Hawaiian macaroni salad is ready to be enjoyed. Give it a final stir before serving. It pairs perfectly with grilled meats, kalua pig, or any barbecue. For a nice touch, you can garnish it with a sprinkle of paprika or some fresh chopped parsley. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.